Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the addition of the fractions, adding the fractions. Yes, before doing the sums, let's firstly see one video that will make you clear regarding the concept of the addition of the fractions.
Oh!
Now we will do the sums of exercise 6.7. Here first sum is there, complete the following. Here you can see one diagram. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts are done, so 6 is written in the denominator and one part is shaded. So here we will write 1 over 6. Addition is there, add. Then second diagram is there, 3 parts are shaded, so here we will write 3 and total 6 parts are there. Now when we will add these both, which diagram will be there? Now this will be there because 3 parts blue shaded and 1 yellow shaded, total 4 parts are shaded. So here we will write 4, and here in the diagram total parts, equal parts are there 6. So here when when we add like fractions, then only numerators are added, denominator remains same. Now here you can see, here total 8 parts are done and 3 are shaded, so here we will write the fraction 3 by 8. And here you can see 5 parts are shaded and total parts are 8. Same denominator means like fractions are there. So when we will add these 3 plus 5, denominator will remain same, and 3 plus 5 here will be 8, means whole parts are shaded. Yes, now here you can see second sum, add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5. When 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 are added, when one pink color 1 by 5 and 2 for blue color 2 by 5, when these are added, then what is there? Then 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded and total parts are 5. So here the fraction will be 3 by 5. When we will add 1 by 5 and 2 by 5, we will get 3 by 5. Yes, in the same way here, for the pink boxes total are 9. Pink color there is 2 by 9. For this fraction will be 2 by 9. For blue color fraction is 3 by 9. And for yellow color the fraction is 4 by 9. When we will add all these, 2 by 9 plus 3 by 9 plus 4 by 9. When we will add all these, then it will become 9 by 9. Because denominator will remain same. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9. It will be 9 by 9. Yes friends, now here add the following using a number line. Now see how to add these using the number line. First of all, what is a number line? A line that represent the numbers is called number line. जिस नंबर लाइन पे हम फ्रैक्शंस को डिनोट करते हैं या नंबर्स को शो करते हैं, दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड नंबर लाइन. Yes, earlier we have done this in this chapter in 6.2 exercise, I think. Yes, where we have to show the fraction on the number line. Yes, here in this part we have to add these fractions using the number line. अगर directly इनको add करना होगा then only we will write like this. But if it is written that using the number line, then firstly we will draw the number line and then we will do the sums. And this exercise, this fourth sum, you will do in the fair notebook in good handwriting. Yes, now see how to do these sums. As the sum is 3 by 7 and 1 by 7. Here what we will do? Firstly we will draw the number line. Here denominator is 7. So here number line is starting with here 0. Yes, you can see it clearly. Yes, here is 0. After that denominator is 7. So with the help of the scale, we will mark equal numbers here like this. इक्वल डिस्टेंस के साथ हम इस पे मार्क्स लगा लेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल, क्योंकि स्केल पे जो नंबर्स होते हैं वहाँ से हम इक्वल डिस्टेंस ले सकते हैं. यस, तो डिनोमिनेटर इज 7, सो हेयर वी हैव टू मार्क 7 मार्क्स with the equal distance. Yes, first mark 1 over 7, second 2 by 7, third 3 by 7, fourth 4 by 7, fifth is 5 by 7, then sixth 6 by 7, and here it is 7 by 7. It means it is 1. Why it is 1? Because 7 by 7 means 7 divided by 7, and when we will divide we will get 1. Yes, like this we are getting 1. We are not writing 7 by 7, we will write 1. Yes, so here we have to add 3 by 7. Firstly from 0, we will count 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. We will reach here. From 0, we will reach here 3 by 7 because first fraction is 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 means one step. We have to move forward like this. Here is, now we reached on 4 by 7. Firstly it is 3 by 7. We will reach here. Then one step more. Then it is, we reached here 4 by 7. So this will be the answer. Yes. So here this 3 steps 3 by 7. One step 1 by 7. Here we got answer 4 by 7. So here after this, writing this, we will write 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 4 by 7. This also we will write after doing this. Yes, and listen students, ये जो आपने नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है या इसके ऊपर कोई भी मार्क्स लगाने हैं या फ्रैक्शंस लिखनी है, these all things you will do with the help of the pencil. फेयर नोटबुक पे करना है और पेंसिल के साथ करना है. यस और नीट एंड क्लीन, बहुत ही साफ सुथरा वर्क करना है, अच्छे से पेंसिल शॉर्प करके, लाइन स्ट्रेट होनी चाहिए, मार्क्स इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे होने चाहिए, लाइक दिस. यस. Okay, let's move to part B, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Yes, now here we will draw the number line. Yes, denominator is 2, so here we will do we will write 2 marks. Yes, denominator 2 है तो हम 2 marks लगाएंगे यहाँ पे. First is 1 by 2 and second is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 को हम क्या लिखेंगे? 1. Yes, and when we will add 1 by 2 is there, one step here we reached 1 by 2. One more step is there, then we will reach on 1. 1 का मतलब क्या है? 2 by 2. So both the answers we can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. When we will add, we will get 2 by 2, or we can also write it 1. Yes. Now C part is there, 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Denominator is 4, तो हमने 4 equal parts करनी है. Firstly we will write 0. Then first 1 by 4, then second 2 by 4, third part 3 by 4, and fourth part 4 by 4, and we will write it 1. Yes, now see how to add. Firstly 0 से लेके 1 by 4, one step we will come here, 1 by 4, then 2 steps we will jump 2 steps. Yes, तो हम कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? We reached at 3 by 4. So our answer is 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. Yes, हम इस डायरेक्शन में क्यों जंप कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज वी आर एडिंग. तो हमने हमारे यहाँ से हमने लेफ्ट हैंड से शुरू करके हमने राइट हैंड साइड की तरफ जाना है. Yes, we will move to our right hand side. Yes, when we have to add, we have to move up to the right hand side. Yes. Now next D part is there, that is 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Now denominator is 8, so here with the help of the scale we will do the equal partition up to 8. Yes, first is 0, then 1 by 8, first part जो होगा that is 1 by 8, second is 2 by 8, third is 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, and here is 8 by 8, we will write it 1. Yes, now see 4 by 8. Firstly 0 to 4 steps. One step, second, third, fourth. We will reach here. 0 से लेके 4 steps का jump लगाएंगे. We will reach 4 by 8. Then plus 2. Plus 2 के लिए हमने right hand side की तरफ जाना है. 2 steps we will move to right hand side. Yes, तो हम कहाँ पे पहुँच गए? We reached at 6 by 8. So 6 by 8 is the answer. So here what answer we got? We got 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8, that is 6 by 8. In the same way, you will do E part and F part. Here you can see the denominator is 10. So when you will draw the line, you will do 10 equal parts. We will do 10 equal parts. तो first step होगा 5 jumps का, 5 steps का. Then second 1 step हम और move करेंगे right hand side की तरफ. Then 2 steps हम और move करेंगे तो हम कहाँ पे पहुँच जाएंगे? We will reach at 8 by 10. In the same way in F part, 7 equal parts we will do. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ ऑफ 3, देन सेकेंड स्टेप आल्सो ऑफ 3, तो 1 स्टेप और चलेंगे, 2 टाइम्स हमने मूव करना है, देन वी विल रीच अप टू 7 by 7. लाइक दिस यू विल कंप्लीट दिस सम ऑल द पार्ट्स इन योर मैथ्स फेयर नोटबुक इन गुड हैंड राइटिंग. Yes, so students, do the revision of these concepts also. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day ahead.